a bit of a rattle there. That's what you don't want. It means that one on the right is lifting up. Have a look at it. You've now got a clue that it's wrong. Use your saw blade. It's a nice straight line. Get it in the middle. Get it up vertical. Yeah, no, you can see it's tilting out, it's going out. There you go. That pinged off. That looks better now. See that one on the right it's not sticking out anymore. But be honest with yourself, be critical. Don't lie to yourself just because you don't want to do the work. Because if that one's wrong, and then when you're lining it up, doing the horizontals and verticals, when you're lining it up on the next one, that's going to be wrong because you're working to a wrong claw. Right, fourth one's on. The fourth one's actually the hardest, I think, because you're lining it up. You've got two to line up against, and you can find out that you've done one wrong. You thought it was right, but the measurements are so minimal. Right, I'm snipping these off.